belongs to autonomous nervous system. What is that? The sympathetic nervous system consistent of the 21 pairs of, how many? The 21 pairs of the nerves are present. Sympathetic nervous system consistent of 21 pairs of the nerves are present. These are contains how many? 21 pairs. The total spinal cord containing 31 pairs. In this 31, especially the sympathetic nerves are containing only 21 pairs. The 31 pairs are there. So they are specially consistent of how many? 21 pairs of the nerves are present in the sympathetic nerve system. So in the sympathetic nervous system, these 21 pairs can be classified or distinguished based on their region, origin region. So these can be distinguished into nothing but these are distinguished by based on their origin. Based on their origin. What are the first one is how many we have containing 5 regions in complete vertebral column containing 5 segments or 5 regions are there. But the exception of the one segment, the containing 4 segments are consistent of what is the sympathetic nerves. On exception of the one segment, the remaining all segments are consistent of the sympathetic nervous system. How many? They're containing 5 segments. The 5 regions are there. 5 regions are there in spinal cord. The spinal cord, nothing but vertebral column. In this 5, only 4 are shown. Only the 4 regions are arising. Very, very important. In these 5 regions, only the 4 regions of the spinal cord or 4 regions of the vertebral columns are arising of the sympathetic nerves. Only the 4 regions are arising. Very important. They are asking in examination. The 4 regions are arising. Which nerves? Sympathetic nerves. Only the 4 regions are sympathetic nerves. So what is the 4 region? What are they? How many 4? The first one is cervical sympathetic cervical nerves. Cervical nerves are there. In this 4, the cervical nerve is present. In this 4, thoracic is present. Thoracic nerve. Lumbar nerves. Next one, coccyx. The absence of these are present. These 4 regions are present. The exception of one. Which one is exception? Exception of which one? The 4th one is known as a sacral. 4th one is a sacral region. The sacral region is the absence of sympathetic nerves. Region is absent. Absence of sympathetic nerve systems. Very important. They're asking in the examination for the so they're asking for which region of the vertebral column is absence of sympathetic nerves. They're giving. So which one? The sympathetic nerve system is completely absence of what is the sacral region. So let's see the numbers. How many? What is the cranial region consistent of? Cranial region is 3. Cranial region containing only arising of only 3. But in the spinal nerves are 5 is sacral. Cervical is 5. But these are have only arising only 3 cervical. Thoracic containing 12. Cervical containing how many? 12. Cervical containing 12. Lumbar containing, what is that? Lumbar containing 5, 7. Sorry, 5. And coccyx containing 1. How many? 3 plus 12, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 21. 21 pairs of the nerves. 21 pair of the nerves are formed. Are you clear? So this one is completely absence of central. What is the CNS? Sympathetic nervous systems are present. So before we are discussing about the sympathetic nervous system, so what is the pre-nerves and post-nerves? Nothing but sympathetic nerves and post-sympathetic nerves. Are you clear? So they containing 5 regions are there in the what is the vertebral column. So there are only 4 regions are arising of the sympathetic nerve. Only exception of the one segment that is called as a sacral region. So cervical region consistent of 3. So what is cervical containing 12, thoracic containing 12, lumbar containing 5, coccyx containing 1. Clear? Let's see what is that pre and post sympathetic nerves. What is the pre-sympathetic and post-sympathetic? Listen carefully. Pre-sympathetic nerves. Pre-sympathetic, nothing but, let's see. So this is the spinal cord. This is the spinal cord. Okay, clear. The spinal cord is arising of the nerves. Arising of the nerves from the different type of the regions of the spinal cord region. So the spinal cords are finally attached into the nothing but connects with the what is that vertebral trunk. Finally leads into vertebral trunk. So the vertebral trunk to these nerves are finally connects into the organs. So let's see. So the spinal cord is arising of the nerves. The spinal cord, what is the spinal cord arising of the nerves from their spinal region. These nerves are called as a presynaptic nerve or pre-sympathetic nerve. Clear? When these nerves are reaches into the organ, when the nerves are reaches into the organ, so the type of nerves are called as a post-sympathetic nerve. So what I'm saying, these nerves are arising from the, this is a, what is spinal cord? The spinal cord arising of the nerves, these nerves are called as a presynaptic nerves, pre-sympathetic nerves. So finally these sympathetic nerves are divided into more number of the branches and leads it or connect into a particular organ. The type of nerves are called as a post-sympathetic nerve. Difference between the pre and post. Pros are arising from the spinal cord is the pro. Finally it is connects into the vertebral trunk. Vertebral trunk will divide into more number of the branches. This more number of the branches are connecting to different specific region of the specific organs of the body. When it is reaches into specific organs of the body, that type of neurons are called as a post-sympathetic nerve. So this is called as a pre-sympathetic. So this is called as a post-sympathetic. Note down everyone. What is the pre-sympathetic? Pre-sympathetic nothing but the nerves are arising from, the nerves are arising from which region? Which region? This one is spinal region. Very important, spinal region. So this type of nerves are called, so when the nerves are arising from the spinal region, so this type of nerves are called as a pre-sympathetic nerves. Next one, post-sympathetic nothing but, so these nerves are when it is reaches into the vertebral trunk. So the vertebral trunk too, it is moves forward and divided into more number of the branches. The branches are finally connected to the nerve that is called as a post-sympathetic nerve. Pre-sympathetic and post-sympathetic nerve. Yes. Let's see the diagram. Yes. First one. The sympathetic containing 21 pairs of the nerve. We know that. Yes. First one. These are arising from the brain stem cord. Brain stem. Arising from the brain stem. Brain stem. brain stem to cervical region. Clear? This is one cervical region. The second one, cervical to thoracic, very large. This one is thoracic. Thoracic to lumbar. But these are containing a, what is that? Cervical, or sorry, sacral. What is that? Sacral. But there is no nerves. Finally leads into, what is that? Coccyx. Clear? So first one, this is called brain stem. Brain stem. Brain stem. The first one is, the first segment or the first region is known as a cervical. How many cervical? Cervical 3. Second one is thoracic. Thoracic segment. Thoracic 12. Clear? Lumbar. Third one is lumbar or lumbar. Lumbar. The lumbar, how many? 5. Next one, these are absence of sacral. Sacral region is absence of neurons in sympathetic nerves. Coccyx containing only one. Coccyx containing only one neuron. Clear? So, the cervical to lumbar region, the cervical to coccyx region, completely containing how many? 21 pairs of the neurons are there. So this type of neurons are combined together to form what is that? Thoracico. What is the thoracico lumbar region? These nerve, which one? Thoracic. Thoracic containing 12 pairs of the nerve. Lumbar region containing how many? 5. There is a more than of the cervical and coccyx. The more than of the cervical and coccyx. So these are both are combined together to formation of cervicothoracical chamber. So thoracico lumbar chamber. Thoracico lumbar. What is the thoracico lumbar chamber? These both are combined together, nothing but fused together to form a group of the nerves. A group of the nerves are called as a thoracico lumbar chamber. Thoracico region containing 12, lumbar region containing 5. These are more than of the cervical and more than of the coccyx. So it is called as, the complex is called as a cervico lumbar chamber or cervico lumbar what is complex. Clear? So this is a spinal nerve. What is the main purpose of the spinal nerve? These are comes out. These are comes out means these are arising of the nerves from outside of the spinal region. So what is that? Spinal cord region. So the cervical region, how many? These are formation of the 3 nerves, arising of the 3 nerves. Clear? The thoracic containing 12 nerves are there, arising of 12. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 nerves are arising. The lumbar, how many? 5 pairs of the nerves. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Coccyx containing only 1. Clear? So these nerves are arising from the which region? These nerves are arising from the spinal cord. Very important. Spinal cord. So nerves are arising from the spinal cord. This type of nerves are called as a pre-sympathetic nerves. Pre-sympathetic nerves. Clear? So these nerves are finally connects into one of the, what is that? Trunk. The trunk is known as a, what is the spinal trunk. Each one connects by each segment connected by, each segment is connected so this one is known as a segment like structure. Segment like structure. How many? These are containing 21 segments are there. So this is called as a, so the segmented nerves are, segmented tubule is known as a, what is that? Spinal trunk That is called spinal trunk. Yes. Let's see the cranial region. The cranial region containing how many? 3 chambers are there. So 3 nerves are there. So these 3 nerves are arising from this spinal trunk to connect into a specific organ, specific organ. So that specific organs, when it is reaches into the specific organ, so the arising of the nerves are called as a post-sympathetic nerves. What I am saying? So these nerves are arising. These nerves are arising and finally connects. Finally connects. The nerves are more number of the branches are there. The formation of more number of the branches. These nerves are finally connects. Finally connect into a specific organ. That is called as a post-sympathetic nerves. Post-sympathetic nerves. Okay, let's see the cervical region. The cervical region containing optic. What is optical, mandibular. Okay, these are there. First one is these are connects into one nerve is finally connecting to optic region into optic. One neuron is finally connected into mandibular region. Mandibular nothing but jaw. One is connects into which region? One is connects into salivary glands. For the stimulation of the saliva, nothing but secretion of the saliva. The optic sympathetic nerves are useful for the movement of the the optic region. The mandibular are useful for the facilitate to mastication of the food. So like this. So these nerves. The next one, the thoracic region. The thoracic region, there is a formation of the more number of the rebranched nerves are there. So these rebranched nerves are known as these rebranched nerves are called as visceral neurons. These are called as visceral neurons. The branched neurons are called as visceral neurons. Listen carefully. So the visceral neurons are connects into the visceral body parts. These visceral neurons are connects visceral body parts. So first one, these are connects into the nothing but the regulation of the breathing, heart beating, some of the blood pressure. Okay, so some of the individual the nerves are connected to the lungs, kidneys, so etc. So what is that? The thoracic region containing 12 nerves are there. These 12 nerves are rebranched into formation of the more number of the rebranched nerves are connected to the visceral parts of the body. So the visceral parts of the body to what is the main importance for the activation of the body mechanical activity like a breathing, heartbeat, BP, lung, lungs functions, the kidney activity, nephric filtration. So these are under control by the thoracic and lumbar region. Next one, coccyx. The coccyx is useful for is a facilitate nothing but it is one of the foraminal. The foraminal extension of the one of the large nerve is known as a cochial nerve. Coccyx nerves are there. So these are coccyx nerve. The eyes well eyes. So this nerve tubule is formation of the group of the nerve ganglions. A group of the nerve ganglions are formed. How many? These are 3 different type of nerve ganglions are arising from the spinal nerve. How many? The 3 different type of the nerve ganglions are arising from the spinal cord. Let's see that information. A group of the nerves to form a formation of the ganglion. These are arising from which region? Spinal cord region. A group of the nerves are combined together to formation of a complex. So these are formation of the nerves along with some kind of ganglions are also originate from the spinal cord. First one, the anterior one of these is known as a coeloic. What is a coeloic mesenteric? So coeloic region. Anterior one of the ganglion is known as a coeloic mesenteric. Anterior one of the ganglion is known as a coeloic mesenteric. So this is one is a superior mesenteric. superior mesenteric ganglion. Superior mesenteric ganglion. The last one is posterior mesenteric or inferior. You can write inferior also. Inferior mesenteric or posterior mesenteric nerve ganglion. Okay. So what is the nerve ganglion? The group of the nerves are origin from what is the tubular nerve spinal cord. The spinal cord, a formation of a three different type of the nerves. What is the nerve ganglions are there? A group of the nerves are known as a first nerve is known as a coeloic or coelom mesenteric. The second one is known as superior mesenteric ganglion. Third one is known as a inferior or posterior mesenteric. What is that ganglion? Let's see the sympathetic nervous system. The sympathetic nervous system consists of only 21 pairs of the nerves are there. So this is combined. The thoracic region containing 12 and lumbar region containing 5. So able to formation of a thoracico-lumbar chamber. So these thoracico-lumbar chambers are both are regulation of the visceral body parts. Regulation means it is completely stimulation of the visceral body parts for their metabolic and mechanical and chemical actions. Clear? So this is containing the brainstem, extension of the brainstem. The extension of the brainstem, it is finally leads into one of the hollow cavity. The hollow cavity is known as the vertebral column. So the vertebral column is completely lined, filled with what is the spinal cord is there. So spinal cord, the anterior region of the spinal cord is known as the brainstem. The brainstem in the sympathetic nervous system can be divided into three regions are there: cervical, thoracic, lumbar, and cloacal. So why we are divided into four regions? The fifth one is nothing but sacral region, completely absence of sympathetic nerves. So these are containing three are there. What are they? What is the optic nerves are there, visceral nerves are there, olfactory nerves are there. So these nerves are present. So C3, so thoracic 12, lumbar 5, and cochlear 1. So next one, these cervical nerves are origin from the cervical region. How many? These are three in number. So finally is connected into the spinal trunk. The spinal trunk, when it is reaches into the spinal trunk, in between of the spinal trunk and the spinal cord, that nerves are known as a pre-sympathetic nerve. In between of the spinal trunk and spinal cord, the nerve is known as pre-sympathetic nerve. After the spinal trunk, that nerve is called as a post-sympathetic nerve. So the sympathetic nerve, when it is reaches into the spinal cord, spinal trunk, so this nerve can be divided into more number of the branches. So the branches are known as optic, mandibular, and saliva. So these are first one, cervical is completely activation of the salivary secretion. Optical nothing but vision. The mandibular nothing but mastication of the functions. Next one, finally, second one is thoracic. Thoracic containing the more number of nothing but 12 of the spinal nerves are there. So these are regulation of their visceral body activities, nothing but breathing, what is the sensation, heart pulse rate, blood pressure. Next one, the lungs performance, nothing but breathing, exchanging, like that. Next one, the lumbar region controlled by the visceral body parts, nothing but reproductive organs and as well as kidneys. The next one, last one is completely controlled. Last one is known as a coccyx neuron. So in this region, which one, the spinal cord region can able to formation of three different type of the neurons, nerves are there. So this a group of the nerves are known as a nerve ganglion. So this group of the three different type of nerve ganglions are known as a cochlear nerve. What is a coeloic nerve ganglion, and what is a superior mesenteric ganglion. Third one is known as a posterior mesenteric or inferior mesenteric ganglion. So this is the information. So this is the information about the sympathetic nervous system. Are you clear? Today we are discussing about the cranial nerves. How many cranial nerves are there? 12. How many cranial nerves are 31 pairs of the cranial nerves. Sympathetic nerves are 21 pairs. Very, very important. Sympathetic 21, cranial 12, spinal, how many? Spinal 31, first one cranial 12, spinal 31, sympathetic 21.